back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking all about waist trainers, how to use a waist trainer to get the desired result that you want. Now, I've been waist training for I'd say about 4 years now, and I've been having some really great results. So I just want to talk to you guys and share a little bit of my journey, my background with waist trainers, and how you can use them to get slim waist, cut down some inches, and really get that hourglass figure that you want. Now, first, before we get started with the video, I just want to talk a little bit about my hair because I recently just got it done. I got this hair from Kendra's Boutique, and I'll just link their website down below. I've really been loving this hair. I got it, the links that I got are 3 bundles of 24 inches, and I also got this frontal. This is from Amazon, and usually like really weird about buying frontals on Amazon or any hair on Amazon, but I had a really good experience. I'm really loving it. It looks so natural. So if you're looking for any type of hair products, definitely check down in the description box. Now, first let's talk about some of the benefits of waist training. Now, obviously the first benefit and the major benefit of waist training is going to be a smaller waist. So your waist is going to shrink, you're going to lose some inches, especially if you're working out while you're using your waist trainer. That's huge. I'm also going to leave a tip at the end of this video to get even better results. It's something that I recently implemented into my waist training journey, and that you can also use at your waist and get rid of that lower stomach area. That's just, man, it really does not want to come off. But I have a quick tip that you can use, so stay tuned for the end of the video for that. Now, one of the other benefits of waist training, you're going to get quick results. So if you're trying to get a smaller waist, abs, and that really cute like slimming effect on your waist to look cute in dresses, all of that, a waist trainer is definitely the way to go. Favorite ways to use it is to wear it under my dresses, and it really like cinches in your waist and gives you that figure. People are going to be like, what? Like, she looks so good. Yeah, you're gonna see a major difference when you use it. The other benefits from waist training, you're gonna see a major improvement in your posture. Now with waist training, especially some of the more stiff ones, which is definitely what you want, you're gonna get that support. Now if you're someone like me that has like bad back problems, that support is definitely gonna help you. It's gonna help you stand up straighter, sit up taller. The trainer is really gonna help with that. It's gonna just improve your posture, make you sit up taller. Also, it's really good if you just had a baby and you're trying to get that last few pounds and that last like little bit of belly fat off, and really try to cinch that waist and try to get your pre-baby figure back. That's one of the main reasons I started waist training. So if that's you, that's definitely, the waist trainer is definitely going to help. Now there are some disadvantages to waist training, and one of those things is when you're wearing it all day, it definitely can be uncomfortable. It's going to provide some discomfort. That's why you want to make sure when you purchase your trainer that you get the correct size. And a lot of if you go online on Amazon or wherever you want to buy your trainer, you definitely want to look at the measurements that they have as a guide. And I think the best way to do it is to take one of those measuring tapes, the thin ones, and just take your measurements, measure your waist and also around your thighs, and use that as a guide, compare it to the chart, and make sure you get the correct size. You definitely do not want to get the wrong size, because when you get it, if it's too big, it's not going to do anything for you. It's not going to provide the desired result that you want. So you really want to make sure you get the sizing perfect. Also, you don't want to go too small, because if you go too small, you're going to get it and you're not going to be able to put it on. And that it really sucks because you really want to be able to wear something that's going to get you that result and wear it comfortably. Now you also want to make sure when you're wearing your trainer that you keep your skin moisturized, because a lot of times you have material and fabric that's rubbing up against you all day. So you just want to make sure you keep everything really well moisturized. Put like a lotion or some type of cream under your trainer so that you're not in your skin, scratching your skin. Now next I want to talk about what you're going to need for waist training. So the number one thing that you're going to definitely need is a waist trainer. The waist trainer I use, I got on Amazon, and it was about between $20 and $30, and I always recommend it to everybody. My second one from this brand, and I love it. The first time I got it was in 2016, and let me just give you a little backstory of why I started waist training. I had my first child. And so before I had my son, I would say about 125 pounds. You know, my body I had no issues with it. Everything was amazing. But when I had my son, my stomach was not the same. After I had him, I was walking around, I think I was in CVS or something, and a lady walked up to me and she asked me how far along I am. And I was like, I just had my baby 3 months ago. That day I went home and I was like, nope, I have to do something. So I started researching everything, and I found the waist trainers. And this is when they first started becoming popular. So I bought one and I immediately started wearing it. Really important that, especially when you have a child, that your doctor, what is the recommended thing, but it's definitely important that after you have a child, if you're somebody like me that has, I had never had issues with my midsection or abs or any of that, but after I had my baby, I couldn't even do one sit-up. So the waist trainer definitely helped with that. Now next I want to show you my first waist trainer, and this is the waist trainer that I got right after having my baby. I'll just show a picture here so you can see what I was looking like. I think I have a picture from there. If I do, I'm going to just tag it next to here so you can see it. I think once I had him, I was probably around like the 140, 145 weight. So when I got my trainer, I immediately started wearing it. Now how I would wear it is every day. What I would do is I would put it on the morning before work, and I would on and wear it throughout the day. Now at first when you start wearing it, it is extremely uncomfortable. Like you do have to get used to it, but once you start wearing it every day, you are going to get like a comfortability with it. You're going to like how your posture's changed, how, especially the thing that I loved the most was the outfits that I was wearing to work. They always looked better when I had my trainer on. Made everything look a lot better. So that was a lot of my motivation for wearing it also. Another thing is that after I started really wearing it a lot, I took it down to about 3 days a week. So I would just do like Monday, Wednesday, Friday for about 8 hours a day, just wear it. And because then my body started getting used to it. Now, let me tell you guys about this specific waist trainer that I have. Now, I've purchased 2 from this store on Amazon, and I love them so much that the first time, like I still have this one. So this is the first one that I purchased, and size small. And I think I don't remember what my measurements were back then. So this is the small. So this is it, and it's black, and it comes in a lot of different colors, but I got the black one. And it also comes with this ring of snaps. So you can snap it from the tightest, which is right here, or if you want it more loose, you would snap it here. Now when I first originally got it, I was just using the first set of snaps. And like even the day that I got it, I couldn't put it on at all. And help me. Yes, that was crazy. So you may need somebody to help you and just for that support, because it is going to be uncomfortable to get on the first time, and that's a good sign. The only thing you don't want it to be too uncomfortable. So that's why when I talked about the sizing. But so yeah, now this material is kind of a stretchy material. So inside there's also these bands, and that's what helps hold you in. And the material, the one thing that I really love about this trainer is the material. I would describe it as like a tire material, and I think that's one of the reasons why I like it so much too, is you really want something stiff that's not stretchy. A lot of the trainers that I see on Amazon and just everywhere, they'll have the trainers that it's like polyester material, and then it has the two straps where it like snaps. And like I've felt those before, and I just don't think, if you really want to get good waist training results, you want something that has a stiff material. Like that's really important. You don't want it to be flimsy, you don't want it to be stretchy. You really want it to be as stiff as possible if you really want to get a good result. So I'll just put a picture of mine here that I have if you'd like to purchase it. I'll just link down below. I loved it so much. I started wearing it every day. Then I reduced it down to 3 days a week. Now I did take a little break from waist training for probably about a year. Here I really started back on my waist training journey. And especially being at home, working out more and trying to focus on my fitness and my health goals and my weight journey. Since I love this trainer so much, what I do now, I have two trainers. I have this one here, and then I have this same one. It's from the same company, and I'll just link it below if you want to get it. But I use this one to work out in the gym, and this one I wear during the day if I'm running errands or just around the house. I try to wear it like 2 to 3 times a week. Now for working out, this is really good. It just depends on which one they are. Some you can work out in, some you can't, so you really want to take note of that. And I also recommend just getting two trainers, especially if you're really serious about losing inches and getting that curved, slim effect on your waist. I would recommend getting one for the gym when you work out, and then also one that you can wear just like during the day, because the thing about this is when you're wearing it in the gym and working out with it, it's gonna get sweaty, it's gonna get wet and everything. And it's easier to just have one that you can wash and then have one that you can just have that doesn't get sweaty. One for working out, and then one for, I would just say, like daily use. So next I'll just show you my trainer. And so this is it. And so if you can see, I do have these top, let's see, what is it, 3 unsnatched, because so some of them, they go so far up that it's like, it like hits my boob area. So I try not to do it too tight up there, just to not constrict my body too much. But if you can see, it definitely like cinches in my waist. And it goes down far to about my hip bone. And I'm short, I'm about 5'2.5". So if you're taller, this may be the perfect fit for you. And then, so this is the side, and then the back. And like I said, it really gives you, especially when you wear it under your clothes, it's going to give you that nice figure that you want, and it's going to make the clothes that you wear look so much better. So now I just want to give you one more tip with the waist training that I just recently implemented into my weight loss and waist training journey, and that's apple cider vinegar. So Apple cider vinegar is great for so many things, like numerous things, but one way that I've been using it recently is taking 2 shots a day, and what I usually do is 3 teaspoons of vinegar, and I usually mix it either with water or what I actually like mixing it with now is the Minute Maid no sugar lemonade, because it takes a lot of the nasty, because it's really nasty tasting. A shot of that in the morning on an empty stomach. I really do it right before I work out. So I'll take that, work out, and then I'll also take one at night before I go to bed on an empty stomach. So I'll just do the same thing. Now when you're doing this, never take it by itself. You always want to mix it either with water, some type of juice, honey, lemonade, whatever you like, but you definitely don't want to take it on its own because it can burn your stomach lining. So just keep that in mind. So just be very careful about apple cider vinegar if you do want to try that route. Okay guys, so that's all for my waist training video. I hope you liked it. If you have any comments, questions, you can always reach me on my Instagram at Miss Bella Love, or you can comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.